YouTube, it's Rob the Roadside Driver again, and today I'm going to do a demonstration as to how to jumpstart a car using a booster pack. Now, as you can tell, this booster pack has been used a lot. I've had it for almost 8 years and it still works great. So again, I'm doing a demonstration on my vehicle because I don't want to do the demonstration on customers' cars. So in this particular car, the first thing we have to do is take the cover off for the battery. So there you go, we took the cover off. And as you can tell, in this car, it's very clear as to which side is the positive and which side is the negative. Now, sometimes you're gonna get some cars where it's not very obvious. So what you wanna do in order to figure out which one is the positive and which one is the negative, if it's not visible on the battery, is you follow the cables, and the cable that goes to the body, that's the ground, and that would be the negative. And then the cable that goes to your auxiliary stuff like your starter and stuff, that's the positive. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, it really doesn't matter when you're using a booster pack if you connect the positive or the negative first. Some people will debate that, but in my opinion, I've been doing this 16 years, it really doesn't matter. So you connect the negative terminal, the negative cable to the negative terminal, and then the positive cable to the positive terminal. Now, usually you would see a spark if the battery is dead, but because this battery is not dead, this is just for demonstration purposes, you would see a spark, but there's no spark right now. So basically you would connect the cables to the terminal, and then you go in the car, disconnect the terminal, you don't leave it on there. Well, technically, when you're using a booster pack, you could leave it on there because the alternator from the car will put charge back into the booster pack. But if you're using cables, which I'm going to demonstrate in a little while because one of my friend's cars is dead and I'm going to go there and do a jump start, but I'm going to use the regular jumper cables as opposed to the booster pack. But normally when you use the regular jumper cables, you don't want to leave it on here because there'll be a surge and you could blow out a computer or an alternator or starter, something like that. But with a booster pack, it's really not that serious because the car is right now charging the booster pack. So all you do, you just disconnect. It really doesn't matter if it's which terminal you disconnect first, but you disconnect one at a time. And one of the main things you don't want to do is have the terminals touch each other, because then there will be a spark and a surge and it could damage the booster pack or the car. After that, you let the vehicle run for at least a half an hour to recharge the battery, to get a good charge. Some people say if you take it on a highway and blow it out for 15 minutes, that's good enough. But really the correct way to do it is to either you drive it or you leave it running for half an hour. And that's it. But don't forget to like, subscribe if you like the video to the channel. Rob the Roadside Driver on Instagram, Rob the Roadside Driver on Facebook, or my website at theroadsidedriver.com. Thanks again. Have a good day.